Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, as you can see from the intro, simple deep fried chicken wing. In today's video, I will share with you a simple chicken wing recipe that you can put together in little time. So friends, let's jump right into the recipe. What I have is about a 2 pound of wings, thoroughly clean and wash, some lime and vinegar. So before I go ahead and apply my seasoning, I'm just going to go ahead and give them a quick dry using a paper towel. Next, I'm going to go right ahead and add my combination of spices. For this recipe, you certainly can use any of your favorite seasoning. Do keep in mind, for your convenience, I will leave a full list and ingredients measurement below so you can always check it out. So friends, once fully seasoned and marinate overnight preferable. Of course, when it comes to taste and flavor, makes a big difference. Next friends, once you add your seasoning, you certainly can go ahead and use your hand or a glove switch preferable and just give it a good rub. So friends, what I like to do before I go ahead and fry my chicken is to add a second batch of seasoning. So friends, the reason why I'm adding 2 layers of seasoning, once you go ahead and deep fry your wing, you will receive some golden brown wings, as you can see later on in the video. So friends, for easy cooking, next I'm going to go right ahead and add half a cup of all-purpose flour and 4 tablespoons of cornstarch and just baste my chicken. Next, I'm going to go right ahead and add my chicken, cook them for about 15 minutes. So my friends, just take a look at this golden brown wing. I'm sure you can put this recipe together in little time. So my friends, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribe. This will help us improve and bring you more simple and easy recipe that you can put together in little or no time. So my friends, if you made the recipe, you can also leave me a message below or tag me on Instagram. As always, appreciate you watching my content video. On this channel, as I mentioned, I bring you guys simple and easy recipe so that you can enjoy at home. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time. Simple deep fried chicken wing recipe.